This is Abron Postmortem or cadaver surgical kit for postmortem. These are different parts. One hammer is there with the and then there is one blade, knife, brain knife, other parts, scalpel. The parts which are there is a blowpipe, amputation saw, postmortem scissor, blow scissor, combined hammer with the chisel and detachable cross handle, bipod, skull rest, brain knife, guillotine knife, cartilage knife, can hook, set of 3, and then dissection, forceps and scalpel, 4 pieces. There are different kind of scalpels are there, forceps is there, hook is there, these are blowpipe is there, different kind of items are in the kit, and these are available for general use in the hospital or in the clinic or other teaching in colleges and pharmacy and other teaching institutions and nursing colleges. Please visit the website and abron01@gmail.com. This is the website abronexports.com. Visit the website and send us your comments. Thank you.